Welcome to the e-production of avtlibrary.com, where we offer e-library of e-audio, e-video, and e-text. Theology. Definition. Theology is the study of the divine, encompassing concepts of God, gods, and the spiritual realm. It often explores religious beliefs, practices, traditions, and the moral and philosophical implications thereof. Subdisciplines and related areas within theology include systematic theology, a disciplined reflection on divine revelation as found primarily in sacred scriptures and traditions, aiming to present a coherent account of the doctrines of faith. Comparative theology, the study of and comparison between two or more religious traditions to understand their beliefs, practices, and experiences more deeply. Biblical studies, an academic discipline focused on the study and interpretation of the Bible, including its languages, literature, history, and cultural contexts. Historical theology examines the history of theological ideas, tracing the development of religious doctrines over time. Moral theology or ethical theology studies questions about human morality and explores how religious traditions and beliefs influence moral decisions and character. Practical theology, concerned with the application of theological insights to the practicalities of religious and church life, like worship, preaching, and pastoral care. Spiritual theology focuses on individual and communal spiritual growth and the nature of spiritual experiences. Humanities. These are disciplines that study human culture, thought, and creativity. They include literature, the study of written works, encompassing fiction, poetry, drama, and nonfiction. History, the study of past events, societies, and civilizations. Philosophy, the examination of fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, values, reason, and more. Languages, the study of language structures, evolution, linguistics, and learning. STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics. Natural sciences, disciplines that study natural phenomena, including biology, chemistry, physics, and earth sciences. Technology, the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. Engineering, the application of science and mathematics to design and build structures, machines, and systems. Mathematics, the study of numbers, quantities, shapes, and patterns. Arts, focuses on human creative expression and aesthetic appreciation. Visual arts, includes painting, drawing, sculpture, and design. Performing arts encompasses music, theater, dance, and film. Media arts relates to photography, digital arts, and other media-based forms. Social sciences. This area investigates human behavior, societies, and relationships. They include psychology, the study of the human mind and behavior. Sociology, the examination of human society, its structures, and interactions. Anthropology, the study of human cultures, both past and present. Political science, the study of political systems, political activity, and political thought. Economics, the investigation of how societies allocate scarce resources and produce and distribute goods and services. Professional and applied sciences, practical disciplines that prepare students for specific careers. Medicine, the study and practice of diagnosing, treating, and preventing illnesses. Business, encompasses areas like finance, marketing, management, and entrepreneurship. Law, the study of legal systems, legal principles, and their application. Education, the study of teaching methods, learning processes, and educational systems. This is an e-production of avtlibrary.com, where our e-library brings you a rich collection of e-audio, e-video, and e-text. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.